Welcome back, Borufan members of Borufan Tube. Today I wanted to show how to download Sublime text editor for Windows. Sublime. Then this Sublime text editors is used for editing our codes in very neat way and a very clear way. Please let's go. Google, follow me. Sublime text 3, then click Sublime text 3, then download for choose Sublime text 3. Read all things this from this. You can get all information from this. And now I want to download Sublime text editor 4, Sublime text editor 4, then for Windows, then keep it. This downloading. After downloaded, right click it, right click, yes, next, install, finish. Then how to get it, this Sublime text, then click it, then you get this like this. Sublime is a very clear and neat way. The other is Vscode. This is for Sublime text editor. The other is Google Vscode editor. And this is Vscode editor. Click this, then download, then integrate it, download, then click next. All things are simple like Sublime. This is Vscode. Is very important for developers that is used. We can develop by any, we can write any code, PHP, HTML, CSS, React, JS, React, Vue, all are, it contains all libraries. The other is Vscode. Let's see how to get it. Vscode, Visual Studio Code. Yeah, this is VS Code. This is VS Code. Then to download, click this download. Then for Windows or Debian or Macs, it's very easy. Another is PHP Storm. Another is Atom, Notepad++, download Notepad++ is used. Yeah, Notepad+, download, click it, then come back on latest version, then download and keep it. Right click, showing folder. After showing folder, double click on it. Yes, okay, next, I agree with this, next, yes, next. Then after finishing, let's come back on Notepad++ is this, like this. Is very clear and neat way. For the beginner, for beginners, it is very best. Developing HTML/HTML /HTML, save, then run as administrator. Yes, okay. This is the how to download how to download code editors. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.